Hi students, my name is Mindy Eden. I will be your math teacher for the fourth quarter at Utah Students Connect. I just wanted to start off the quarter by giving you a couple of tips to help you be successful this quarter. So the first thing is to remember that you're earning 8 points to show work for every problem. So all that really means is it's anything that's not given on the answer key. So if you're adding exponents, you can draw a plus symbol. If you're doing probability, you can write the original fraction and then reduce it. If you're making a graph, you can write a table or use the words like left 2 units, down 5 units. The work will look different for every section. So it really is just anything that helps show how you get your answer. So I'm pretty flexible. I'm just looking for something that indicates you understand the idea. Number 2 is to make sure for 2 points you're checking your answers with the answer key. So you can just write a score like -5. If you draw a question mark, then I will give you suggestions in the comments for how to correct your errors. So I do look at your work and I'm trying to help you that way with feedback. The third thing is I am here to help you with anything that you need in this course. So you can email me. I'm available Monday through Friday, 9 to 3. I can send you an email, Google invite. We'll do math together. If it's just a couple of questions, you can tell me which ones they are and I'll make a video and send it to you. But let me know what you need and I will help you as much as I can. So good luck with this quarter and please reach out if you have any questions.